Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the bounty for Jeffrey. So as we can see here, that we only get half the bounty if he is killed instead of captured alive. Now a quick little tip for you, in order to track him, if you come over to your journal just here, then come to faction quests and then go to House of Celesta, you will be able to see the bounties notice for Jeffrey here. And if you go ahead and click it, you can see I have now enabled tracking. And then if we go to our map once again, you will be able to see where he is on the map. In my case, he's over here on the road, so I can now go over and find him. So in my case here, we can see we're now coming up on him. He is this hooded shadow figure just here. All we need to do is go ahead and press R to tackle, beat him up a bit, then press space to go ahead and tie him up, and then we can press E to carry him, then we can go ahead and mount up again, and then we need to go and turn him in. Again, because we are now tracking the quest, we can see exactly where the hand-in is on our mini-map. The hand-in is back here at the quest giver, and then all we need to do is go ahead and find the guards here. There we go, and that is how we complete the bounty notice for Jeffrey. I hope that this video helps. Please do check out the description where I've left a link to a playlist with lots of other useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.